Hello friends, today we will discuss what is a rate limiter in ASP.NET and how to implement in ASP.NET Core MVC application. For that, let's understand first what is a rate limiter. A rate limiter can help improve the reliability, security and performance of application by preventing abuse, ensuring a fair resource allocation and avoiding API request limit violation. Mainly using this, you can control the number of requests, you can reduce the load on your server and have more fair usage of resources among the users. ASP.NET Core provides an easy way to implement rate limiting in your application. By using the built-in middleware, you can easily configure rate limiting for your application. Now we will check how to configure rate limiter middleware in ASP.NET Core MVC application. Let's understand this with an example. So I have opened a Visual Studio, and in this Visual Studio I already have a sample MVC application, and in this application we need to add rate limiter NuGet package. So first thing I will do, add NuGet package. And once installation is done, you can verify it here. After adding the NuGet package, we will go into the program.cs file to add rate limiter middleware. I am adding rate limiter middleware app.use rate limiter. Inside that will add object of rate limiter option class. Here we have to set rejection status code 4 to 9. Then I am using add fixed window limiter method, and inside this method we need to set policy name, rate limit policy. You can give any name. Then we will require to configure request control related things. Option we need to set first thing is option.window is equal to time span dot from second. Here I am setting 10 second. Then option dot permit limit is 1. Then option dot queue limit is equal to 0. Then option dot queue processing order is equal to queue processing order dot older first. So here rate limiter middleware configuration is done. Here first thing I set a window as a 10 second and permit limit as a 1. That means this application will serve only one request in this 10 second duration. Now we will apply this policy on our request, and in this MVC application all the request is come on controller. So we can apply this policy on full controller as well as on specific action. So first I am adding this policy on full controller. So here enable rate limiting, and inside this I need to set name of my specific policy. Here I already mentioned it, rate limit policy. So the same name we need to use here. Now we will check how it works. For that I am running this application. Now I am refreshing this page. So it's returning 429 error status code because of my request is going on the server within the 10 seconds. But again I refresh this page, so it's returning a response because 10-second duration is completed. Now we will try queue limit configuration. So for that first we need to stop the project. Here I already mentioned queue limit as a 0. So I am changing this parameter 0 to 1, and here window time span I am changing this 30 seconds. Now we will check how it works. Here I am refreshing this page. So here you can see it's going on the server, but it's not actually processing. This is going into queue. Once 30-second time duration is completed, we get the response. We need to wait for the 30-second only. Here you can see we get the response. Again I will refresh this page. So here you can see it's loading our page, but actually it's going into queue. Now we get the response. So using this rate limiter middleware concept, you can control request on your application. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.